stuff together. You guys want to go for a walk? Where are they? Let's go for a walk. Walk, people.
Okay, what happened is that after my daughter accidentally dropped this globe on the floor, the magnet inside was dislodged. See, as you can hear it, it's floating around inside. It's not in its proper place, and it should be up here so that not really, it should be up here on this so that it could levitate again, but apparently it's here at the bottom somewhere. So the only way to fix this is we have to use a hacksaw to open this globe and look inside and see if we can glue the magnet back in place again and see if it works. So let's do that, okay? So we don't have any choice but really to cut this open. So we have to be very careful as we cut this in the middle. Make sure that you cut it like make a close to a perfect cut, so that way you don't damage any of these letterings here and the maps and everything. We're trying to work on have as minimum as damage as we can to all of these maps and names on the globe. So I have to go and start cutting it right now. As you can see, what had happened is that the magnet had fallen. See, right here. That's why it would not levitate. That magnet is supposed to be up here. There. there, and it fell. So that's why what we need to do is just put that back in there and probably like reinforce it. I don't know why they didn't make it stable enough for that magnet not to drop down like that. So we want to put that back. That magnet needs to go back in there. Probably, I don't know, glue it so it won't fall anymore. Okay, we'll try to vacuum off all this sawdust too, and then we'll see if it works. And then I'm going to put a glue around it and close it up and see if it works again. So as you can see, the magnet from the ball falling down on the floor, accidentally falling down on the floor, this thing right here was not strong enough to keep this in place. So we're gonna have to just put that back in there somehow and somehow reinforce it to stay in there. Okay, that's the other piece. Push that down. There you go. The magnet is back in place. So now what we're going to do is just glue this back together. Alright, but before you want to do that, you want to test it first. But if it works, by putting this kind of like back together like this and just put a tape around it so you can test it if it works. Okay. So let's just tape it up for now. Do the same thing on this side. With that taped up on both sides, let's see if it works now that we put the magnet back in place on the top. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let's see if it will work. And there you go. We were able to fix it. Alright, now all we have to do is just glue it back together. Alright, it's back to levitating again. Alright, okay. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. So I'm going to take the tape out, glue it back together again, or and just put like a transparent tape across so I don't have to go and cut it with a hacksaw again, just in case that magnet gets dislodged again. Glue or tape. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll talk to you again next time. Thank you for watching.